In today's video, we are going to be showing you a secret method that's going to help you make $41 every single day in just 5 minutes. This is not a drill. You're going to see exactly how we're going to do this in today's video. This is very easy to do, especially if you're someone who's on the go and can only spare 5 minutes of your day. This is the perfect video for you. You can do this method over and over again, every 5 minutes in a day, and make much more money. This method is not complicated to follow, and it is available worldwide. There are even some offers on today's platform that cater to very specific countries, and you'll see what we're talking about in a few moments. This method is completely free. You won't need any skills or experience whatsoever, so anyone and everyone can try out this method. Just make sure you're willing to put in the work of just 5 minutes, and if you want to go beyond that, then that's totally possible. All you really need is literally just 5 minutes. You can do this method on your smartphone or your computer, so if you have no computer, you can still earn. Of course, you're going to need a PayPal account, and we know that everyone here loves PayPal money. That's why we're bringing all of the goodness to you. Make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method, and make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. To start this method, we want you to begin on your default browser and then proceed to type in utest.com, and then this is where that should take you. As you can see, the largest community of testers in the world. Earn money and learn new skills while helping world-class companies deliver amazing digital experiences. Learn new skills, grow, and connect. Utest is the home of the largest community of digital freelance software testers in the world, helping some of the most recognized and iconic brands provide quality digital experiences to their customers. Whether it's improving their testing skills in our academy, finding a testing project to earn money, or connecting with testing experts within our global community, Utest has become the go-to destination for people who value digital quality, are passionate about user experience, and are curious about cutting-edge technology. Now, how Utest works: when you join Utest, you are unlocking a new world of freelancing opportunities. Learn how we match you with paid testing projects from our clients. Earn money testing for the brands you love. When companies like Uber need to ensure a new feature is ready before rolling it out globally, they utilize Utesters to validate that it works, looks, and performs as expected. Our clients count on the feedback of Utesters to ensure that their products live up to the high expectations of their customers. You have McDonald's, Starbucks, Facebook, Google, and so many more. What you're seeing on our screen right now are some urgent projects on this website, and these are some examples of what we should be doing for just 5 minutes to earn our money. There are a lot of opportunities here and a lot of chances for us to earn. Like we said, if you have more than 5 minutes and if you give more, you can immediately earn $10 to $41 every single day. As you can see, there are about 500,000 plus testers worldwide. 1,000 new testers every day, 2.5 million plus devices worldwide, and millions paid to testers monthly. Very big numbers, which entails that this website is legit and reliable. Why Utest? Utesters get to experience and test new technology before the general public. Be the first to test the latest. As you can see on paid projects over here, testers are paid twice a month through your choice of either PayPal or Payoneer, whichever is most convenient for you. Freelance testers on UTest earn money for submitting approved bugs and test cases, completing usability surveys, referral bonuses to sign up new testers. To forward reward excellence, higher payouts are available depending on bug value and your current tester rating tier. So you still have a chance to earn much more than $41. So visit our projects board to browse current testing project opportunities. Plus, some testimonials over here, which again just adds to the credibility of this website and shows that this platform isn't here to play around. And if you can notice, these people come from all around the world. We have United Kingdom, Tanzania, Sweden, and Ukraine, and of course the rest of the world, as we said a while ago. They even have a mobile app so you can do this on your phone easily, and whether you're an iOS or an Android user, this method is very much still available to you. And now we're curious, what type of mobile phone are you using? Are you an iOS user or an Android user? Leave your answer in the comments down below for our future videos and because we just really want to know. If you have some questions, you can go on About Us over here and look through the frequently asked questions and see if the answers that you're looking for can be found on here. Anyway, let's go ahead and sign up for an account. Go ahead and click on Join Today over here. As you can see, step 1 is to tell them about yourself. So go ahead and provide everything that they ask for. So your first name, last name, email address, date of birth, languages spoken, and then click on Next once that's complete. Now provide your location and then click Next. Then they're asking you about your devices. Just fill that up. Then last step, create yourself a password. Make sure you accept the terms of use and everything and then complete setup. Once that's done, make sure that you check your email because you need to confirm your email before completely activating your account. And it should look like this. Just click on Confirm Email Address and you're all set. You can immediately sign in. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's get back into the video. Now, as soon as you log in, this is what you should see. Your dashboard has everything you need so that you don't get lost. As you can see, before anything else, you will need to set up your payment method so that you can get paid, and when you click on that, look for payment method, then click on it, and you can choose to either get paid through PayPal or Payoneer. I know it's limited, but that's why we told you that you need to have a PayPal account before anything else. So just choose whatever is most convenient for you, and then they'll ask you for your details so they know which account to send your payments to. And then once that's done, you can click on Save and your payment method should be all set up. Now we want to know in the comments down below your preferred payment method if the one you wanted wasn't part of the choices, so that we can make more videos that will be more useful and available to you. Now let's continue. Now again, if you go on projects over here, you will see all of the opportunities that you can take up. Literally do in 5 minutes or more and then earn money immediately. And all of these are testing opportunities, so all you will be asked to do is test, and from that, earn. So make sure that you check this website out, try it out, and then let it know how it goes for you by leaving a comment down below, and that's basically it. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we put out a new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.